Bonjour à tous. Bienvenue à ma chaîne YouTube aujourd'hui. Merci d'être ici et bon visionnage. Today on my workbench, I have Robert's IQ-5 Cookshack controller. Robert sent me this one because he was having some issues with the digital display on the unit. He had an issue where at first the text being displayed was really faint and difficult to see. If I understand correctly, Robert had ordered a replacement display for this unit, had someone else install it, but after the installation the display would come on, he had good backlighting, but he had no text at all being displayed on the unit. So after discussing this with Robert, I agreed that he could send it to me and I would have a look at it to see what I could do about it. So I received the controller yesterday and I powered it up for the first time, and that confirms for me exactly what Robert had told me. So have a look. As I power it up, we see we have some backlight action happening. Some of the text box may be visible in the video, but you don't see any text happening. You don't see the boot up sequence, you don't see the version number of the software and such. So nothing is working for him. So it was a half repair for him, I guess. So let me take some time now and I'll do some troubleshooting work. After my troubleshooting work, if I'm successful, I'll come back and I'll show you the results of that. Thanks for standing by. I'll be back shortly. Alright everyone, it's been approximately an hour later since I turned off the video, and I think I've resolved the issue with this display unit. As you can see now, when I turn it on, we still get the backlight come on, but as we wait long enough, we'll see that the model version of the Cookshack comes up, a little bit of description, and a request to push a program and then start your cooking process. So we have the on-off switch down here, which turns it off, back on, we get the beep, all that stuff. I don't have a bezel to tell me what these switches are, but one of them is for pork per the label here, and well, I guess I can just say beef, program number 1, pork, chicken, fish, or the USB port. And then at the bottom here I've got other switches which are really not labeled, so I'm not quite sure what they are. And then I've got a probe selection. USB not connected, so I can't exit that. Now I'm stuck there. Alright, so anyways, it looks like everything is working. I don't have a bezel to know exactly what's going on, and I don't have any other connections to it other than power. But Robert, there you go. I think you can clearly see the text now. It's back to the way that it should be, and I don't think you'll have any issues with this moving forward. Robert, I want to thank you very much for sending me your controller for repairs. I appreciate that very much. For all you other viewers out there, if you have a Cookshack controller of your own, like this one, an IQ-5, and you have a faint display where you can barely read it, or it's not reading at all after someone else has done some work on it, I'd be more than happy to discuss that with you and see what I can do to help you repair that. In the meantime, I do hope that you'll take a few seconds to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.